Hello traders, you're welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be looking at a simple yet effective 5-minute gold scalping strategy that you can start using even from today. Now, this strategy focuses on using price action and moving averages to identify quick trading opportunities, manage risk, and maximize profit. So, first of all, you have to set up your chart. We're going to be working on the 5 minutes time frame. Remember, this is a 5-minute scalping strategy. And then we are going to be using the 9 and 20 EMAs. We're going to be using the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA. Okay, the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA we're going to be using for this strategy, right? Okay, and then we are also going to be using the relative strength index. We're going to be using the relative strength index. Okay. All right. Now, the 9 EMA helps us to identify short-term price trends, while the 20 EMA is for mid-term trend confirmation. Okay. While the RSI helps us to spot overbought and oversold conditions. Okay. Now, the first thing to do is to spot your signals after you've set up your chart with the necessary indicators. Then you have to identify entry signals both for your buy trades and your sell trades. How do you do that? When you have the price crossing above both the 9 and 20 EMAs like what we have or had around here, the price crossed above the 9 and the 20 EMA, it indicates a buy. Okay? But that is not all. You also have to have the EMAs aligned, i.e., the EMAs should be confirming upward momentum. You shouldn't just have price cross over the EMAs. The EMA should also be pointing in the upward direction. They should be trending. They should be looking upwards. Okay. And then you should have the RSI above the 50 level. So remember that the moving averages are what we use to identify the trend. We use the moving averages to identify the trend. When you have the price above the moving averages and you have the moving averages trending upwards or pointing upwards, then you can say that you have a bullish trend. This is the 5 minutes time frame, so it could even be a short-term trend, a very short-term trend. So you would want to take advantage of every price move that you find. Then the RSI just helps us to confirm that trend. So what we're going to do is that we're also going to add on 50 level for the RSI. We're going to be adding a 50 level. Okay, so when you have the RSI above the 50 level but below the 70, it indicates strength without being overbought. So when you have a bullish crossover here and then you have RSI above the 50 level but below the 70, it shows a bullish momentum. Okay, so you can consider entering your buy after that. You can set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and then for your take profit, you can wait for the moving average to cross back downwards, a bearish crossover. When you have the 9 EMA cross below the 20 EMA, you can exit your trade, or you can also consider using resistance levels to exit your buy trade. Then for a sell trade, you have to just wait for a bearish crossover. The 9 EMA should cross below the 20 EMA, and then you should have the RSI below the 50 but above the 30, indicating strong sell momentum. Then you can sell your stop loss above the previous swing high. Your take profit can be when you have a bullish crossover from the moving averages, or you can also consider using support levels to exit your trade. Okay, now in terms of risk management, it's important that you practice good risk management. Try not to risk more than you can afford to lose. Okay, you can keep your risk per trade at a maximum of 2 to 3% of your account balance. Okay, and then also practice good risk to reward ratio. You can aim for 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. If your stop loss is 10 pips, you can aim for 20 pips profit. Okay, that's a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so by focusing on short-term trends with the EMA crossovers and confirming momentum with RSI, you can spot quick scalping opportunities. Keep your trades small and disciplined for steady gains. Remember that this is a scalping strategy, so you wouldn't want to stay in the trade for too long. When you are in a trade and you observe any possible reversal signs, you should exit immediately and then look for another opportunity. If you are trading in the direction of the trend, you can be exiting at every resistance zone and you can be entering new trades at pullbacks. Okay, so that is it for this scalping strategy. And you know that gold is a volatile pair, so it moves quite fast. So in order for you to catch quick price moves, you have to be at alert so that you can exit your trades quickly and enter your trades quickly. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos. Thanks for watching. Happy trading.